The fastest way to experience the life that you want is to remove all the energy blocks that are standing in the way between where you are now and what you want. Because whether you want more abundance in life, whether you want more love, whether you want to just feel better, the invisible thing that affects us all that we don't think about are energy blocks. They're very real. And they're caused by different things. They're caused by traumatic events that happen in your life. They're caused by your environment. They're caused when you're in the womb. It's called gestational trauma. And they're also caused by generational, passed down. Like, your great grandparents had it, your parents have it, you have it. And it's the same problem, and it's just happening every single generation. And that's what typically causes energy blocks. And when you have them, it doesn't matter how hard you try. It doesn't matter how much work you put in. You're not going to get what you want. It's going to seem so close, yet so far. It's going to be one of the things where you keep trying, and the harder you try, the further it goes away. I know because I've been through this path in the past. And when I removed my energy blocks, when I fully released it, and it was one of the things that through energy clearing was released fast, then all of a sudden, everything that I wanted started happening quickly. When I removed my energy blocks towards abundance, this was close to 15 years ago, I made more in a day than I did an entire year, a few weeks after I had my blocks removed. Same thing when I was in toxic relationships and toxic friendships, I got to a point where I'm like, enough is enough, and I released my energy blocks. And when I did, I met my soulmate now 4 days after doing that practice, right? And I can tell you countless stories of how energy healing saved my life, and energy healing worked when everything else failed to work. It was the only thing that worked. And if you want to experience this, if you want to experience this energy healing, if you want to experience this magic, this system, because the thing is, if you learn how to do this, you can do energy healing for yourself, so you're never gonna be stuck. You can do energy healing for your loved ones, friends and family. You can do energy healing as purpose work, to help people make a difference, right? And get paid to do it. There's so many different applications of it, but it's a learnable skill. And if you're interested, I want to invite you to my upcoming Geo Love Healing Certification Program. It's an 8-week energy healing certification course that you can go through from the comfort of your home. And it's powerful. People from all over the world have done it. You're going to learn exactly, step by step, how to do energy healings on people, whether they're in front of you or whether they're remote. This is the same system that I've used, and I've done over 30,000 plus healing sessions to date. It's the same one I use to get results for people, to change their lives, to deeply transform them from where they were to where they want to be. You're going to learn the system. You're going to experience the healing yourself. I'm going to be doing healing and activation on you. We're going to go over what a lot of people don't go over. We're going to go over what nobody else goes over, which is your primary spiritual gift, because you were born with them. And you're going to learn the system, the entire system, over an 8-week period. Things that normally take people 10 or 20 years to master, it's condensed in 8 weeks for you to learn from the comfort of your home. So if you want to learn how to become an energy healer, whether it's for yourself, so you're never stuck in life and whatever you want to experience, you experience quickly, or whether you want to become an energy healer because you want to help a loved one and a friend that's in pain, or you want to do this for your purpose work, then I invite you to join my upcoming 8-week energy healing certification program. You can do it from home. It's the most powerful program to date when it comes to learning energy healing and the practices that can transform your life. You can learn the system, you can experience the healing. At the end of it, you're going to be a confident and also competent healer. It's a lot of practice sessions, right? It's not like you're just learning it and that's about it. No, you're learning the system, you're practicing it, you're getting results, you're helping people in the program, and you're also receiving practice sessions. So you're receiving and giving healing, and you're getting confident, and comfortable with the system, and you can see firsthand how it works. It's really, really powerful. And if you're interested, go ahead and message me, Healer, now, and we're going to share with you more information about our upcoming 8-week certification program. It's transformative, it's life-changing, and I promise you're gonna look back after 8 weeks and say, wow, that was such a wild ride in the best of ways, because who you become afterwards is someone that you've prayed for. The things that you experience are the things that you've hoped for. And after 8 weeks, not only you're experiencing things differently, not only are you showing up differently, but just how you view life and how confident you are, knowing that doesn't matter what life throws your way, you've got your own back. This is a program for you. So go ahead, message me, Healer, now to learn more about the program.